This video will demonstrate the installation of V35 with optional filter and meter on a fuel tank. V35 offers improved performance from the GPRO model Pro 35, featuring an upgraded outlet design for easy installation of meters and accessories, and a capacitor start AC motor that increases reliability in a variety of power supply conditions. To install V35 on a fuel tank, you will need a 1 1/4 inch NPT steel pipe, a hacksaw, an adjustable wrench, a 10 mm wrench, a 4 mm hex wrench, and a 5 mm hex wrench. Prior to assembly, refer to the product owner's manual and observe all warnings. Electrical wiring must be performed by a licensed electrician. To begin the installation process, create a suction pipe by measuring the depth of the tank and cutting the 1 1/4 inch NPT black steel pipe 2 inches short of the depth of the tank at a 45-degree angle. Next, apply thread tape or pipe thread sealant to all threaded joints, including tank adapters, suction pipes, and hoses. Attach the suction pipe onto the included tank adapter, installing the pipe on the tank side of the adapter. Then install the suction pipe and tank adapter onto the tank. Tighten down with an adjustable wrench. Then install V35 on top of the tank adapter. Using a 4 mm hex wrench, attach the nozzle holder to the pump. To complete the installation of V35 with an auto diesel nozzle, attach the hose into the outlet fitting. Then add the O-ring to the pump outlet port and install the outlet fitting to the V35's outlet port using a 5 mm hex wrench. Tighten the hose with an adjustable wrench to avoid leaks. Then attach a GPI nozzle to the hose. To complete the installation of V35 with a high-flow filter kit and auto diesel nozzle, start by adding an O-ring to the pump outlet port. Then use a 5 mm hex wrench to install the 90-degree outlet fitting to the pump with the threads pointed upwards. Thread a 7-inch pipe nipple into the 90-degree adapter. Install a 90-degree elbow onto the other end of the pipe nipple. Then install a 1 inch by 1.5 inch pipe nipple into the other end of the elbow. Next, thread the GPI high-flow filter adapter onto the pipe nipple, taking care to note the direction of flow indicated on the filter adapter. Then install a 90-degree street elbow into the high-flow filter adapter outlet port facing downward. Install the hose into the street elbow and tighten with an adjustable wrench to avoid leaks. Install the filter gasket into the filter adapter and install the fuel filter. Then attach a GPI nozzle to the hose. To complete the installation of V35 with a QM40 fuel meter and auto diesel nozzle, start by adding an O-ring to the pump outlet port. Then install the quick-fit 90-degree modular outlet adapter to the pump using a 10mm wrench. Ensure the flange with the O-ring groove is facing up. If you did not purchase the V35 Plus QM40 combo unit or are retroactively installing a QM40 onto a V35, you will need to acquire a GPI meter adapter kit separately. Add an O-ring and install QM40 onto the quick-fit 90-degree modular outlet adapter using a 10mm wrench. Attach the hose to the quick-fit modular outlet fitting. Then add an O-ring to the QM40 outlet port and install the 90-degree outlet fitting on top of the QM40 using a 5mm hex wrench. Tighten the hose with an adjustable wrench to avoid leaks. Then attach a GPI nozzle to the hose. If you are installing a high-flow filter kit onto a V35 with a QM40 fuel meter already installed, start by threading the 1" by 3" pipe nipple into the outlet of the meter. Then thread the high-flow filter adapter onto the pipe nipple, taking care to note the direction of flow indicated on the filter adapter. Thread the 1" street elbow into the outlet of the filter adapter and install the hose into the street elbow. Tighten the hose with an adjustable wrench to avoid leaks. Install the filter gasket into the filter adapter and install the fuel filter. Then attach a GPI nozzle to the hose. For more information about V35, including a list of parts and accessories and the product manual, you can view our My Pump web app, which can be reached by scanning the QR code on the side of the pump with your smartphone. If you have any questions, you can call our support line and speak to a USA-based product support representative in our factory that will assist you with installation, maintenance, repair, and warranty questions. This responsive live service is our legacy and our commitment to you. Thank you for choosing GPRO.